Everyone, today we're going to be looking at this holographic Squoosh-O's. It's a do-it-yourself stress toy and it looks pretty cool. It has some instant snow and holographic glitter that you can add to your stress toy. So the kit came with 4 balloons, some packs of glitter, a funnel to help you get the items in there, and some instant snow. So I've gathered a few supplies. You need some water for your instant snow, and I have that in there. It's a 1/3 cup. They also recommend putting a little bit of hand sanitizer or vinegar in the balloon so that it just helps keep it clean. And then I put down a surface to protect from water and also have some paper towels. So the first thing you want to do is take your balloon and put the mouth of the balloon onto the funnel. Like this. It pulls right over. It has those ridges to help keep it on. So now that's ready to fill. Now I'm going to open up this instant snow. And since we have 4 balloons, it says to do about 1/4 of a package of the instant snow. So I'm just going to pour some in there. I don't really know exactly how much 1/4 a cup would be, or 1/4 of it would be, so I'll just kind of eyeball it and go with that much. Next it says to add a drop of the hand sanitizer, so I'm just going to put a little bit in there before I put the water in. And I have a 1/3 cup of water right here measured. I'm just going to pour that in there. And you can kind of hold it because the instant snow is going to kind of soak that up. And I'm going to stick this in here and open up some of the glitter. Pour in there also. So that's not going in there that well. I think I was supposed to put that in before I put the water in, so I'm going to try that next time and I'll show you guys that. But here's this. It says to let it sit for about 5 minutes so that the instant snow can soak up all that water. Okay, now I pulled it off the funnel and I'm just going to tie that right at the bottom. Like that. And then you can cut this extra piece off, but don't do it too short so that you don't undo your knot. Make sure it's a super tight knot. And then your squish ball is ready. Now this one I messed up on the glitter, so let's make another one with the glitter because I think that would look really pretty. Okay, so once again we'll take the balloon, stretch it over the top of the funnel, or the bottom of the funnel, like that. And we'll pour in some of the instant snow. And this time I won't forget to put the glitter in. So we have some of this glitter. And I also like this shiny glitter. That's really pretty. So I'm going to use some of that. Pour that in there. And this is going to be my glitter one. And I will also use some of this gold. A little bit of all of it. Can't have too much glitter. Okay, there we go. So that worked a lot better to get that in there first. Okay, now I'm going to squeeze my little bit of hand sanitizer in there. And my 1/3 cup of water I already measured again. Get that all in there. You can see the glitter in there. That's pretty how it starts to do that. It's going to look really pretty once it's all soaked in. And I sometimes wait just a little bit because it takes a few minutes, or a few seconds actually, for that water to get soaked up and you don't want to overfill your balloon. Okay, so now I'm just going to hold it for a few seconds to let the instant snow soak up that water. Okay, so you can see it's kind of neat. You can watch it as the water just gets soaked up down into there. And I think it's all down into the balloon part now, so I'm going to pop it off of here. This funnel. And then just squish that down a little bit. And tie this off. And I just want to make sure that your knot is very tight because you're going to be squishing these, and you don't want to have a loose knot and then squish it all out. So there, you can see the glitter in there now. So I'm going to just kind of mix it up a little bit. Just make sure that all the instant snow in there got water soaked into there. And look at those, look how nice those squishies are, so squishy. Here's the other one I made. It's just a nice plain one. This one has the nice glitter in it. Really nice. Remember, they're balloons though, so I mean, you don't want to be popping them and squishing them super hard or using some pointy objects on it. Like, you know, keep it away from that and don't dig your fingernails into it. But there, that was so easy. Look at how nice those are. So beautiful. So nice for squishy toys.